But this isn't fair, Blake. I was T-boned. This offer barely covers half of my hospital bills, let alone physical therapy.
Yeah, it's a tough break for you, my guy. We took a look at your accident report and your statement. Seems like a fair offer based on your minor injuries.
I thought you were supposed to protect me.
Well, you know what, Joe? I thought I was gonna get a full 8 hours of sleep last night until you called me at 3 a.m. Boom!
Oh! Yeah, great job today, Pete Dalt.
Are you kidding me, Sue? Your offer won't even cover all my medical bills. Are you seriously trying to lowball me right now? You were there.
Yeah, it didn't look that bad.
I've been an insurance agent with you for 10 years.
Okay, bye, Mike.
So, how'd that feel?
Bad.
It doesn't feel good to get lowballed by the insurance company after an accident, does it?
No.
Do you want to go fight the insurance company to get you the compensation you deserve?
Yeah.
There's a famous quote by Teddy Roosevelt that says, "Speak softly and carry a big stick." Frankly, I feel like we try to personify that in our representation. In personal injury cases, you have our clients going up against these large corporations, these large insurance companies who want to pay them as little bit as possible and who do everything that they can to point out deficiencies in a case so that way they have the ability to pay them less, and then they try to justify that. When a client is going through a personal injury case or they've been injured in a car wreck, that case to them is the most high-pressured, high-stakes situation they've ever faced. So we take the speak softly and carry big stick persona. We're respectable, we're professional, but at the same time, we are aggressive with our representation. Our mission is simply just to help as many people as we can throughout South Carolina and North Carolina. I'm biased and I love South Carolina because my whole family grew up here. I was often thrown in positions with high pressure, high stakes situations. Played 3 sports in school growing up. I was the leader of the football team where I went to Coastal Carolina and played football there, where I had to make quick decisions or I had to lead my team. That's the same way I've been able to transition to the practice of law. I think one thing that makes me different from other attorneys is that I've been on the other side of the table.
David is actually one of my best friends from law school. He takes a more personalized approach to his clients because of his personal experiences. He has been represented by people who were not necessarily as emotionally invested in his particular personal issue. He makes it a point to make sure that he's showing empathy to his clients, and he always gives everyone the time that they actually need to make sure that they're being heard. We do not seek to practice law the way that lawyers typically want to be perceived. You can do right by your client, and it doesn't have to be a miserable process. We do our best to basically help them relax, try to make them laugh, if at all possible. That just gives us a better working relationship as we move throughout the personal injury process.
As soon as you step in the door with our firm, the goal is that you feel like family. Not many people have been through a car wreck case or have had somebody injure them as a result of just the negligence of somebody else. They're scared, they're wondering how they're gonna pay their bills, they're wondering how they're gonna take care of their child. So we guide them through that process, and then ultimately they rely on us to make sure that they come out as unscathed as possible.
The most important thing for a client to know is that we have the experience, compassion, and we will fight for them. We can guarantee that we will do that day in, day out.
Our goal is to be as professional, as prepared, and aggressive as possible for your case. At David W. Martin Law Group, you get nothing less.